How to fix Pinterest app problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest app problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and here just type Pinterest and click on it. And first thing you need to do here is to click force stop and then force stop and then click storage and now clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just come back here to storage and clear data and click OK, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that also doesn't fix your problem, now go to permissions, allow all of those permissions here, microphone and all of those, and then go to Play Store and check if there is any update for Pinterest, and then just update it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.